Statistics. Write down method direct method. X bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Xi equal to mid values. Xi equal to mid values and fi equal to frequency values. First one, direct method equal to x bar. X bar means sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Second one, assumed mean or deviation method. X bar equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here a equal to what? A equal to assumed mean. A equal to assumed mean and fi values, frequency values. Di equal to xi minus a and anything there here? So a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. What is a? A equal to assumed mean and fi equal to frequency values. Di equal to xi minus a. This is mean direct method and assumed mean or deviation method. Step deviation method. Step deviation method x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. What is a? A means assumed mean. A means assumed mean and fi equal to frequency values and ui equal to xi minus a by h. H equal to size of the class intervals.